Vanessa and I visited the orphanage with Simon and met with Vice Director Mrs. Hua. We want to thank all of you for your generosity. We're so close now, with under $1,000 left to reach our goal. This is the final push, and every contribution right now truly matters in getting this project completed for the kids and for the center. I'll share photos and updates as soon as everything is finished so you can see the impact that you've made as a group. Thank you so much for your generosity. We're heading over to the Orphan Center today just to check on the progress. I want to give you guys an update of the progress of the projects that we fundraised for, which is specifically the roof. Now, I'm not going to go up on the roof because I'm too old for that. I'm 60 years old, I'm not going to try that, right? But we saw pictures because, you know, we had the younger guy, Simon, he went up on the roof and took a look at that. So we're going to go do that, check out the completed storage unit, and then the canopy that they put over the front, and then also see what kind of work they did on the bathrooms, which they said they would be doing some renovations of the bathroom. So that'll be interesting to see as well. So looking forward to sharing this video with you guys and giving you an update and show you that your money has gone to a great cause. Uh-oh.
Jeez.
We're trying to get, okay, we're kind of stuck in traffic right now. Oh, he's trying to get up on the curb.
Trying to get up, yes.
Cái này mà lên dốc lên nữa là tụt dốc luôn.
Tụt dốc một luôn.
Tông vô đó.
Yeah, mọi
Khách
người
khẩn hầu.
All right, guys. Take care. Bye.
Em xin đại diện lãnh đạo trung tâm và thay mặt các con cảm ơn vợ chồng chị Văn, anh John, anh Quốc và tất cả các nhà tài trợ đã hỗ trợ cho trung tâm xây dựng được công trình nhà kho.
So this is a new canopy, and it's a custom piece. I think it goes all the way, which will close this gap. But this really helps though. So we're gonna go upstairs and take a look at the storage room. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Yeah, you're so cute. So she's in her crib with the new mattresses. Hello. Aw. Hello. How are you? Hey, buddy. They're inside the big playroom. So the mom is in there. And they're watching TV, cartoons. It's a weekend, so they have, I guess, a little bit more kids than normal. And the babies. Hello. Oh, look how chunky she is.
No, she's not feeling well, but she's still really happy.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Oh my gosh. This guy. This girl. Just filled with stuff. Now it's clean.
It's clean because they finished this room.
Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Wow, okay. Okay. All right. Okay, now they got it all in here. But that's okay. At least now they got to organize this. So she was asking for some shelving.
Yeah.
You know, metal shelving to kind of organize this stuff.
They took out
Oh, they got a light up here. That's good.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, they
Oh, and when you open this door, really get a breeze.
That's why she said she doesn't feel like
Yeah.
an AC is not necessary. So that's good.
Oh, that's good. The tiles all laid out. The walls are painted this baby blue. So that's nice. Looks complete.
It really does.
Good job, guys.
All right.
Pat yourselves on the back. This is one of the projects that was completed. And of course, we're not going to be able to see the roof upstairs, but it's pretty awesome. Good job. Good job.
Dạ.
Yeah, very happy. Nice.
Bây giờ mấy cái kệ vừa rồi là bao nhiêu?
Yeah, we're all just passengers.
No, but honestly, Simon, we appreciate you. The last video, you were here for like an hour and a half or two, literally, right?
Em xin đại diện lãnh đạo trung tâm và thay mặt các con cảm ơn vợ chồng chị Văn, anh John, anh Quốc và tất cả các nhà tài trợ đã hỗ trợ cho trung tâm xây dựng được công trình nhà kho. lợp mái nhà tầng 2, thay mái bạc và tiếp tục chắc có lẽ là tuần sau là thợ sẽ triển khai làm sửa nhà vệ sinh. Thì không có gì hơn, một lần nữa em cảm ơn rất là nhiều. Xin kính chúc các anh chị cùng gia đình mạnh khỏe, hạnh phúc, gặp nhiều may mắn. Rất là mong các anh chị tiếp tục đồng hành với các con trong tương lai. Cảm ơn rất là nhiều. Tất cả những cái chi phí thì em sẽ công khai hoàn thành công trình, và bây giờ là em đợi và vài ba ngày gì nữa là thợ họ nhận bớt cái tiền này thì sẽ báo cáo lại các nhà tài trợ.